Why on earth would a very reasonable demand so infuriate Shaquan Duley that cops say it would inspire her to kill her two sons?
Jane, hi. We have to look at the mental stability issue. As a lawyer, I'd want to know first, before she took her children home, does that state, and I don't think it does, but is South Carolina one of 38 states that screen, give a mental test to see if these people are capable, competent to care for children? Parenting classes. If it's not, this is a good example of why it should be. This woman possibly, perhaps, had a psychotic break under whatever pressure she felt. She may have been an accident waiting to happen, and unfortunately those children became problems for her, but she had enough motivation and intent to plan their deaths.
Do you think there's an underlying psychological commonality that suggests this could be a form of self-hatred? After all, the children killed all came out of the bodies of the killers.
I'll keep it along the legal analysis. There are people who are not ready to be parents or should never be parents. And if you go and look at these cases after the fact, it's too easy for all of us to say, what went wrong? She was a nutcase. But there has to be screening, because I'm concerned about children's rights too. There have to be screening procedures out there across the board in all 51 states so that before people take custody of a child, they are screened mentally, physically, everything. And that's something that finally, maybe in South Carolina, the legislators should take up.
I think the money issue is a red herring. I really do feel there is some deeper psychological... Go ahead, what?
I don't agree with that, because money is an issue. Half of these cases where children are abandoned, left, murdered, killed, abused is because of financial stress in the home. Now, we don't have the funds because of all the budgetary problems we have throughout the United States. So I do not agree with you that it's not about money. It is always about money and the pressures on parents.